In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your email address on LinkedIn. If you want a little more privacy on your LinkedIn profile, this is a quick setting that's worth updating. Hiding your email address helps limit who can see it, which can reduce unwanted contact and keep your personal information more secure. The good news is that LinkedIn makes this easy to change, and it only takes a moment. Start by logging into LinkedIn and looking at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Me icon there. Click on Me to open the account menu. This is where LinkedIn keeps many of your personal account options, so if you ever need to update profile-related settings, this is a useful place to remember. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once you're in this area, you'll be able to manage a wide range of account preferences, including privacy controls, sign-in options, and visibility settings. Since we're specifically changing who can see your email address, we'll head into the privacy-related section. Next, go to Visibility. This section controls what other people can see about you on LinkedIn. It includes profile visibility options and other settings related to how your information appears to other users. If you're reviewing your privacy settings in general, this section is a good one to explore more fully later. Inside Visibility, select Email Visibility. This is the setting that determines who can view the email address connected to your LinkedIn account. Depending on your current setup, it may be visible to more people than you want, so it's a smart idea to check it. Once you're in the email visibility setting, choose Only Visible to Me. This means your email address will be hidden from other LinkedIn users and visible only to you within your account. It's the most private option available for this setting and is ideal if you want to keep your contact details from being publicly accessible on the platform. After you select that option, the change should take effect right away. You don't need to do anything else. That's all it takes to hide your email address on LinkedIn. It's a simple privacy update, but it can make an important difference in protecting your personal information. If you're adjusting your account settings, it may also be a good time to review your other visibility options to make sure your profile is sharing only what you want it to share.